College puni fibro ka result for the post of technician 3 and project technician 2 ka balaj po Neigrihms ka bade kini contractual ki balaj makne kene project title development and validation of prediction equation te ke interview ka dai santrik arjap saw santrik menagos arjap saw ka location ka po Neigrihms si the result of the interview conducted for the position of project technician 3 and project technician 2 under the aforementioned project Kemanikong nam taka project technician 3 SR lab assistant selected candidate they me bala rilingdo rangbung gudson but ibala bentas imle nakam taka project technician 2 field assistant field worker selected candidate in order of merit Shanti Miria Ingresha Laitma but Junti Rentatiang. The results are provisional and subject to verification of all relevant original document including no objection certificate if applicable. The appointment is on contractual basis, Kennedy contract. The selected candidate for the aforementioned post must submit acceptance letter on or before 20 August 2024. Tekiba asya submit kila dewan tip ya kata, ba kaban submit ya kata by 20 August 2024. Upon receipt of the acceptance letter, the letter of appointment and undertaking will be issued on 20 August 2024 in person. Tangini yung pitip, College Bon.